Three hammer. Trying to show their club card, but it's on cooldown. Right, sure. What's your club card say, Zafri? Knock knock? What's up? Who's there? Is an infection of the bronchial tubes, bacterial infection, breathing, sore throat, my voice was shot. Rip. I mean, you asked for someone to show the card. Maybe I should specify that someone who has not yet gotten their emote. There we go. Zaffy has been... I like that. Zaffy. Zaffy has been a loyal club member for a month, and keep you waiting for one emote. Okay. Zaffy. Alright, let's find your ref sheet. With the usual Zaffry Hammer character, this one right here. Could I by chance ask for the Yapper emote instead of the dance, if it's okay? You can, but I'll have you know that that's a downgrade because the emotes for the sorry, the emotes for the emote club are level 2 emotes. The yapping emote is a level 1 emote. Just so that you know. I'm aware. I would like the Yappa emote with the vulture character in at the end of my post, please. Huh. Okay. Sure. Why not? Mothlad, creature. Creature real. Not clickbait. File. Open up the deny characters. There it is. Obviously, you didn't need the extra arms in that. Yeah, the extra arms would be really hard to place. Okay, and since you want the yapping emote, I gotta have it flipped. Modify them however to fit the base. Durga is such a cool song. I had it in my playlist for like so long, and then at some point it fell out of my playlist. And I don't know why or how, but it's no longer in my playlist now. And I'm so happy that Fake Tap reminded me that Trigger exists. Hey Ultra Strength. How you doing?